Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable offline downloads in the Netflix app on mobile. Open the Netflix app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your Netflix account. Navigate to the home page of the app. Look for the Downloads tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Downloads tab to enter the Downloads section. If you haven't downloaded anything yet, you may see a prompt to browse available titles. Select a show or movie you want to download. Check if the title has a download button. If the download button is visible, tap on it to start the download process. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the download is finished, you can access it from the Downloads tab. To enable offline downloads in the app settings, exit back to the home page. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select App Settings from the drop-down menu. Look for the option labeled Download Location. Choose between downloading content to your device or an SD card if available. You can also adjust the video quality for downloads in this section. Once you have adjusted your settings, exit the menu. Your downloads will now automatically save according to the selected preferences. To watch downloaded content, return to the Downloads tab. Select the title you want to watch from your downloaded list. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies offline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.